Hello students, welcome in this session of section formula under coordinate geometry for class 10. So before this we have seen already in coordinate geometry the heading distance formula and to find area of triangle when three non-collinear points are given. Today we will see one more concept of coordinate geometry for class 10, which is called section formula. Now let us introduce the topic. What is section formula? Actually, two points are given. On joining these 2 points we have a line segment. Now a point on this line segment divides it into certain ratio, say m is to n, in the ratio m is to n, then that point is called point of division of this line segment. Now we don't know the coordinates of that point, which is point of division for the line segment obtained by joining the two given points. So to find the coordinate of point of division, both x and y coordinate, we have two formulae. So that formula is known as section formula. It means we can define in this way the formula for finding the coordinates of point of division which divides a line segment formed by joining two given points into a definite ratio. That formula is called section formula. Let us suppose two given points A and B with coordinates x1, y1 and x2, y2 respectively are given. On joining these 2 points, a line segment AB forms. Now a point P is on this line segment AB such that it divides the line segment into two parts of ratio m is to n. Now we have to find the coordinate of this point which divides the line segment into m into n ratio. So let us suppose that this point of division P has coordinate x, y. Then we can find x coordinate of this point by using the formula mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n. And similarly, for this point of division, we can find the y coordinate using formula my2 plus ny1 by m plus n. Now let us see its derivation. Although examination point of view, we don't need to go through the derivation because usually it is not asked. But since it is not so hard, we can understand it very easily. So let us see. Here in this figure, first of all we have drawn the two coordinates, coordinate axis, that is x axis and y axis, and within this quadrant here two points are A with coordinate x1, y1 and B with coordinate x2, y2. By joining these 2 points, a line segment AB forms. Now on this line segment AB there is a point P as shown here. It divides the line segment into m into n, m is to n ratio. Let the coordinate of point P be x and y. Now we have to find these coordinates x and y of the point of division P. For this, what we do, from these points, say A, P and B, from all these 3 points we draw perpendicular to the x-axis as shown in the figure. It is AC, PD and BE. Similarly, from these points we draw perpendicular to y-axis which is AF, PG and BH respectively. Now, as according to coordinate geometry rule, you know the perpendicular drawn from these points will meet x-axis, then x coordinate of these points will be equal to the distance of these points from origin. I mean, as point A has x1 coordinate, so when we draw the perpendicular from A, then it meets at point C such that the distance of C from origin is x1. Similarly, the distance of D point from origin is x, because P point has x coordinate equal to x, and OE will equal to x2 as B point has x coordinate equals to x2. Now from these we can calculate what is the distance of CD. So it will be OD minus OC, that is x minus x1. Similarly, what is the distance of DE? It is OE minus OD, that is x2 minus x. Okay. Now, in a similar way, if we go on y-axis, then we have FG equal to y minus y1 and GH equal to y2 minus y. Okay, student. Now, what we do, now we consider the two triangles in that figure. These are triangle PMA and triangle B. Before this, we should write here that from point A we have drawn one more perpendicular, that is AM, on line segment PD, and from point P we have drawn perpendicular PN on the line segment BE. Now we will take these two right angle triangle, that is PMA and BNP, and make them similar. Since angle PMA is equal to angle BNP, each 90 degree, and angle PAM is equal to angle BPN, corresponding angle. So by a corollary, these two triangles are similar, that is triangle PMA now similar to triangle BNP. Therefore, by similarity rule, PM by BN is equal to MA by NP is equal to PA by BP. It is actually BP. Okay. Now these distances we have already calculated earlier. So putting the value of these, we have this relation y minus y1 by y2 minus y is equal to x minus x1 by x2 minus x is equal to m by n. Now what we do, we will take two pairs, y term with this m by n, one pair, and another pair x term with m by n. So by taking these two pairs equal and on simplifying, we have finally relation y equal to my2 plus ny1 by m plus n and x equal to mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n. So these two formulae is known as section formula. With the help of these two formulae, we can find the x coordinate and y coordinate of the point of division which divides a line segment joining formed by joining two given points whose coordinates are x1 y1 and x2 y2, and that point is dividing this AB line segment into m is to n ratio. Then point of division P will have x coordinate which is equal to mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n, and y coordinate which is equal to my2 plus ny1 by m plus n. In this way, using this, we can find the coordinate of point of division. So this is all about section formula, students. So thanks for watching this video. Is this video is helpful to you in learning these? You must write, you must share, you must like it, and send your opinion so that I will again before you taking new video. And don't forget to subscribe also. So thanks, till then, goodbye.